So although usually people suffer from allergy during the spring, it's not something exclusive for the spring, and I would like to share today 6 actually essential oils that can help and support you if you experience allergy. Again, it can be for like flowers or something in the air or dust or something. It's less for food, for something that you take, but more for outside environment. And the thing with allergy is that everyone experiences the symptoms differently. Some people tend to get more headaches. Some people get more vertigo. Some will regularly experience sneezing or itching or coughing and sore throat. But some of the most common seasonal allergy symptoms are running nose and itchy, watery eyes, itchy nose, headaches, vertigo, sneezing, coughing, or needing to clear your throat all the time, and a bit like you have to scratch inside your throat. If you have experienced allergy, you probably know that. You're familiar with one of these or a few of these symptoms. Allergy occurs when the immune system overreacts to substance that it views as harmful, but those reactions can create combinations of symptoms that look different with different people. Like I said, because everybody experiences allergies differently, effective treatment will be vary from one person to the other, and what works for you may not work for someone else, and vice versa. But I'm just happy to give you maybe another point of view and maybe another natural aid to help you with allergy. So the essential oils that we're going to talk about is peppermint. Peppermint is a great one to start dealing with allergy. It can be beneficial for congestions, for headaches and vertigo. It also helps clear the throat. With it's got this cooling effect, like think about mint. So it helps also with sinus pain. Please remember to not put it directly on your skin. Okay. The second one is lavender, and lavender actually you can use on your skin. Where is it? Here it is. It's the only essential oil that you can use directly on the skin. And it's no surprise because lavender is one of the best essential oils to use for allergies, to use for a lot of things. It's relaxing and balancing, and it's very useful for inflammation issues, with rashes, with headaches, and itching. And then we have eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a great choice also when dealing with allergy. That it can help with clear the breathing, but it can also boost the immune system and help with headaches, inflammation, and coughing as well. And for children, there is a specific eucalyptus. It's called Eucalyptus radiata. So not each eucalyptus is good for children. It's a myth. Okay, the next one is a lemon. It's not only smell absolutely delightful, it has beneficial effect dealing with allergy as well. It's fresh. It's a happy scent that will de-stress you and brighten your day, but and stimulate your mind. But it also helps with congestion and feeling the stuffiness in your nose. Just be aware that lemon creates sun sensitivity, so try not to use it with direct sun. The next one is the rosemary. Rosemary is another essential oil that is beneficial when dealing with unwanted symptoms of allergies. As with many essential oil, it's a powerful antibacterial, make it effective germ fighter as well, and it should not be used with small children. It's too powerful for them. And the last one is tea tree. So tea tree oil is a must-have for any essential oil user. It has long been used and known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's also been shown to have antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial effect. And because of that, it helps with allergy. Okay, how to use essential oils for allergy. You can use them in an oil diffuser, which will spread the steam of the oil and then you breathe it in. You just put a little bit of water in the oil diffuser, and then let's say you can use not all of the oil, you can use 1 or 2 of the oils I mentioned, or all of them, and then 1 drop of each, but all in total, let's say 5-6 drops in the oil diffuser. The second option is a massage oil. So you take a carrier oil, a base oil like almond oil, olive oil, which is a bit heavy, but almonds is the most common one. And a massage will be beneficial more if you're dealing with itches and rashes, because it will relax and calm the skin. So then you can add, for a spoon of carrier oil, you can add about 4 or 5 drops, or you can make a bigger amount and then add all the essential oil, let's say 1 drop of like 10 drops essential oil in a cup, and then you can massage it on your skin. What else? You can also take like a cotton pad like this and put a drop of, for example, eucalyptus on it, and just sniff it in gently. It will open your nose. So I hope these more aromatherapy tips will help you. And of course, it's always good to know the cause of your allergy. So this will help treat the symptoms, but the cause, you can check it or just be aware what triggers it.